Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. You love Shiny. It's me, Shiny, your favorite Southern Belle, with a cocktail. Pina colada, extra colada, on deck. All right, y'all. So we are back with another video. Okay. I'm happy to be back. In real time, it's Christmas, so this is Christmas dinner, but y'all gonna get it on Saturday, the day after Christmas. So I hope everybody had a great Christmas, and you can also tell me how was your Christmas in the comments. So you can tell from the title we have roasted potatoes, and collards. I think I'm gonna put collards in the title. Just collards. That's it. Just collards. That's what I'm putting in the title. Hold on, I forgot something. All right, and we back. So again, we have roasted potatoes, and greens. Got that good old ham hock on the top. I got meat in here, but I forgot to add something on the top. You need something on the top. All right, so if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once you subscribe, hit the bell right next to it to be notified every single time I upload a video. All right, y'all. Cheers. If you're not following me on my socials, they'll be floating. Make sure to follow me. And don't forget to check out my website. It does have the YouTube merch as well as a lot of other things. So go ahead and check it out, ulovechani.com. It'll be floating up here as well. I'm going to get my fork because I'm hungry. So I hope everybody had a great holiday. And don't forget to tell me how it was in the comments. See, greens is hot. These is old school collards. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to take fresh vegetables and freeze them myself and not get them in a bag. So these is fresh collard greens that I froze. Once I took them off the stem, look at that. See that smoked meat on there? Once I took them off the stem and cleaned them real good, then I froze them. And they bomb. They bomb. My roasted potatoes. Roasted red potatoes. So how did y'all enjoy my 12 days of Christmas? I enjoy doing it. I enjoy doing it. That roast. My roast got onion. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. Leave in the comments what you have for Christmas dinner, because this is what I'm having. I hope y'all can see it. It's good. So in real time, this is Christmas dinner. And it's fine. Comment, did I go live? Because I want to go live. Did I go live last night? I hope you didn't miss it. Oh. I hope you didn't miss it. Make sure your bell is on. Because it's Lit Friday. Ooh. Spicy greens. They're good. Yeah, I don't know where to go on my plate. It's so good. You know, good. Real good. So again, we couldn't decide what we wanted for dinner, so I made an executive decision, and this is what we having. Okay. I talked about that in my last live. I'm the HBIC. So I made a decision. We're going to have roast, potatoes, and greens. Good old collards. Look at that roast, y'all, just falling apart. Look. Falling apart. I'll probably put it in the title, but this is a Cajun Brown Sugar no look roast. And no look just means you put it in the oven. You do not be checking on it. Do not be opening the oven. Because you're letting the heat out. So this is a Cajun Brown Sugar no look roast. $3.50. 3.5 to 4 hours. Depending on your oven. I did not open the oven one time during the whole 3.5 hours. No look. Don't be peeking. So it can come out perfectly and cook evenly. And it's good. These potatoes good too. Roasted red potato. Which go in the oven too, with your roast. None of my greens is cooked old school on the stove. Y'all, this is good. Don't forget to leave suggestions on what you would like for me to eat or something you would like, something you would like for me to eat. I do take requests. This is so good. I'm glad I recorded this with y'all. This is so good not to record. My greens got onions in them too. They cooked down, so you probably can't see them. I ain't seen one. They in here. Trust that. Trust that. So, hey to all my new subscribers and my day ones. Welcome back to yet another video. Oh, it's good. I mean, I always said it 100 times, but it's good. Look at my roast. Baby, don't look. Try my recipe and tag me. Don't look. Don't open the oven at all. Of course, I covered it in foil. But don't be peeking. Don't peek. So, yeah, I'll probably put that in the title. Cajun Brown Sugar No Look roast. This is so good. It's all good, y'all. It's all delicious. What kind of greens do y'all like? Do y'all like collard greens? I usually mix mustard and collard together, but these good old collards is what we had in our freezer. So that's what we're going to have. I had all of this. This straight out the refrigerator freezer. Everything was already in the house. I ain't even drink my drink. Cheers. Yeah, I don't know what I mean. I go back and watch the edit, like when I edit. Oh my god. Girl, this girl's a clown. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my food because I still want to go live. And some of y'all be going to bed early, so I'm trying to catch y'all. I get a lot of when I get out the lives or my next video, they be like, "Oh, I missed the live. I was asleep." So I'm gonna try to get on a little bit earlier. Man, it's good. It's good. I usually will put broccoli and carrots and stuff with my potatoes. Like when I roast it, but I got these greens. I can't even talk, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with me. But I got these greens, so I didn't put it. Like, I would roast potatoes with onions, broccoli, carrots, all together in a roasting pan. But today's just potatoes. Because I got these good old collards. They good. They too good. I have a genuine love for cooking. I love to cook. Okay with her. That's good. Y'all full already, but I'm just steady going because, baby, it's good. A rough chop on the greens, like a rough chop. Actually, it's no chop. This is how I tore the stems off the, tore the leaves off the stem. Let me start rushing to get to the live. It'll be there. Look. Pull apart. It's so good. I marinate this with the basic salt, pepper, garlic powder, but I added the Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and brown sugar for real. This is really brown sugar roast. And I marinated for some hours. It's good. So if y'all want to try it, when you seasoning your roast, just get you, I don't know how much. Season to your taste, but rub the brown sugar on there like it melts in with the seasonings. If you use oil before you season your meat, then that's how you do it. I don't do that, but I don't rub oil on here. Nah, she ain't doing that. But if you do, no hate, no judge, but whatever you use to get your seasonings to stick, then you season it and you just rub in your brown sugar with the seasonings. Bye. Okay, y'all finna go. I don't know how long this video is. Gotta edit it. Get it up. Okay. We had a great Christmas. A great Christmas. Everybody was happy with what they got, especially me. Especially me. Well, now my children were happy, so that makes me happy. Boom, and that's it. I'm gone, y'all. Thank y'all for watching your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. We out. I hope you caught that live. Bye. I love y'all. Bye.